Hey guys, ये हमारा फर्स्ट व्लॉग है and we have decided, when I say we, it's me and my brother. So hey, why don't you just come in the camera, say
Hey
hi.
guys.
Okay, so this is my brother. So here we are starting this new channel, and our purpose is to take you just all around India first, and wherever we can go, probably out of India also. Currently I'm in Gurgaon. We will be heading towards Mussoorie tonight, somewhere after 12 o'clock. I will be sharing all the ifs and buts, like what are the travel restrictions during this COVID period, what challenges we'll be facing, because currently I'm totally blank. All we are just trying at this point is to reach Mussoorie by tomorrow morning, so that we can cover the beautiful landscapes, the people out there, because I've never been there, and so on. I would want you guys to be a part of this journey along with my brother. That's how I feel that we can be connected, and as we move ahead, obviously this is my first vlog. I might go missing here and there, but as we proceed ahead, I guess it's going to be a wonderful journey and I'll get to used to it. So over to you, my brother, if you just want to share anything from your end.
I just want to say, like, we are planning to go to Mussoorie from last week, and finally we have planned to go Mussoorie today. So actually I am an old YouTuber and he is starting his channel. Like we are starting a channel new here, so we hope you guys enjoyed a lot.
Whether we are, see, this is just a kind of experiment that we are doing, that how feasible it is to do vlogging with iPhone. Whether do you really need a DSLR in place? I was actually somewhere planning to buy a DSLR for the vlogging stuff, but then I thought, let's try it out with iPhone first. If video quality fits as per YouTube requirement, then we'll just go ahead with this. And obviously in future I'm really going to plan a professional camera, but not at this point. Really, it does not fit my budget. So I'm really looking forward to have you guys being as a family on this journey, and any future journeys that I'm going to cover. I will be sharing my point of view around anything that you guys want to know from me. It's not just be limited to the traveling, but yes, around anything, any general stuff that's happening around our country, around the globe, we'll definitely be sharing that. So I would really want you to like this video, subscribe this video, and
Press the bell icon.
Press the bell
Also.
icon, so that whenever I put any new stuff there on my channel, then you get to know about it, you get the notification. And don't forget to comment down below. I really want to give a vouch to my brother's YouTube channel, that's CPS Vlogs. You can go and have a look at that. You'll get to know about my car also. Well, I have recently bought this car. This is Nexon XZ Plus. If you want, I can give you a detailed walk around for this car.
So guys, let's meet up tonight. Like,
Bye bye.
okay, bye.
Hello guys, sorry, we are in a little hurry because there's a slight change in plan. Earlier मैं और मेरा भाई जा रहे थे, but अभी there's a surprise. My elder sister and my brother-in-law is also going to join us. So we are going to pick them up from the Delhi airport, and then from there we'll be leaving. Currently, see the timing. It's almost close to 11, sorry. So you guys enjoy and take care till then. I'm in a little hurry. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था कि मैं एयरपोर्ट जा रहा हूँ to receive my sister and brother-in-law as they are joining us from there, and then from there we'll leave to Mussoorie. हम लोग जल्दी नहीं करने वाले हैं एक्चुअली, बहुत ही स्लोली जाने का प्लान है, जिससे कि हम एक्चुअली ट्रिप को इंजॉय कर सके. So and please sorry for the background navigation noise. Like you know, I'm not so much familiar with the airport road. That's why I just thought that I should put on the navigation. So okay, I'll join you guys once I pick up my sister from the airport because I'm anyways in a hurry. I need to focus on the road. So बहुत ही मुशक्क़त के बाद मैं अभी फाइनली एयरपोर्ट पहुंचा हूँ. अभी एग्जैक्टली टाइम हो रहा है 12:12 और आप जैसे कि नज़ारा देख सकते हैं, काफ़ी अच्छी लाइटिंग.
So guys, रात में तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है व्यू,
बहुत ही प्यारा लग रहा है. आप सामने देखिए T3 लिखा हुआ है, टर्मिनल 3. I'll be receiving my sister and brother-in-law from the same point.
There it is.
Yeah.
Terminal 3 ना.
चलिए मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर में. थैंक यू. All right, guys. So we are in the midway. Currently, somewhere reached close to Muzaffarnagar, and we have actually found a very hygienic, I must say, dhaba that you can say at my back, right? I mean, it's known as Deep Punjabi Dhaba. So actually, since we have left from Delhi, we were just actually looking for hygienic Punjabi dhaba because there were, though we found many, but we really didn't find safe enough to stay there because maybe because of COVID restrictions and this pandemic time, people are not so comfortable going out during this time. So that's why most of the dhabas, hotel at this time are closed. But I guess at this point out here it's quite positive, and there are a lot of people here if you just see at my back. So it's really good. So I'll be sharing the rest of the things after we get to eat something because I'm really hungry. Even my brother, if you see, I mean, he's just roaming here and there. He's too hungry, just waiting for my sister to come. She just went to washroom, and then once she come back, then we'll get going. And hey guys, so this is my brother-in-law Snail, and this is my sister whom I went to receive to airport, and this is again my brother Chetan. Alright, so as I mentioned, we are here at Punjabi Dhaba, somewhere close to Muzaffarnagar, and we have luckily found this restaurant after a long journey of around 120-30 kilometers. We have actually been looking for a hygienic place for almost 2-3 hours now, and I guess now I am quite satisfied. We have just ordered our food. We are really hungry. We hope we are gonna enjoy.